Here we are diving into the mysterious case of the Star Voyager, a cruise ship that seems to exist somewhere in the twilight zone between reality and imagination. Now, before you start thinking this is some sort of ghost ship sailing the seven seas, let me break it down for you. The Star Voyager is not your typical mainstream cruise liner that you will find plastered all over the major cruise line websites or featured in glossy travel brochures. This ship falls into that interesting category of vessels that operate under the radar, possibly as a smaller private cruise ship or perhaps through a regional cruise line that does not have the marketing budget of the big players. Think of it as the indie film of the cruise world, flying below the commercial radar, but potentially offering something unique for those adventurous enough to seek it out. The lack of widespread information about Star Voyager actually makes it more intriguing in some ways. In an industry where every detail of major cruise ships is documented, photographed, and reviewed to death, finding a ship that maintains some mystery is refreshing. It could be operating in specific regions, catering to niche markets, or simply be a vessel that prefers to let its reputation spread through word of mouth rather than aggressive marketing campaigns. When it comes to accommodations aboard the Star Voyager, we have to piece together what a ship of this caliber would typically offer. Most cruise vessels, regardless of size, understand that where you sleep can make or break your vacation experience. The staterooms likely range from cozy interior cabins perfect for budget-conscious travelers who plan to spend most of their time exploring the ship and destinations, to ocean view rooms that provide that essential connection to the sea that many cruisers crave. These ocean view accommodations probably feature portholes or windows that frame the ever-changing seascape, allowing guests to wake up to sunrise over the ocean or fall asleep to the gentle rhythm of waves. Balcony suites would be the premium option, offering private outdoor space where guests can enjoy their morning coffee or evening cocktail in complete privacy. These rooms typically feature sliding glass doors that open onto a personal deck area, complete with outdoor furniture and unobstructed ocean views. The suites would likely include upgraded amenities such as premium bedding, enhanced bathroom facilities, and possibly even butler service depending on the level of luxury the Star Voyager aims to provide. For families or groups traveling together, the ship would need to offer connecting rooms or larger suite configurations. These accommodations would feature separate sleeping areas, additional bathroom facilities, and expanded living spaces to ensure everyone has room to spread out and relax. Accessible cabins would also be essential, designed to accommodate guests with mobility challenges while maintaining the same level of comfort and ocean views as standard accommodations. The dining scene aboard Star Voyager would need to punch above its weight to compete with larger vessels. The main dining room would serve as the heart of the culinary experience, likely offering a rotating menu that showcases international cuisine with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients picked up at various port of call. The atmosphere would probably lean toward intimate and refined rather than the grand ballroom style of megaships, creating a more personal dining experience where the waitstaff actually remembers your name and preferences. A casual buffet area would handle the breakfast crowd and lunch service, featuring made-to-order stations alongside traditional buffet offerings. This space would need to be efficiently designed to handle the flow of guests without feeling cramped, probably incorporating outdoor seating areas that take advantage of the ocean breeze and views. Specialty dining would likely focus on one or two signature restaurants, rather than the dozen options you might find on larger ships. The bar program would be crucial for a smaller vessel, as the lounges and bars often become the social hubs where guests gather to share stories of their adventures. A main bar area would serve classic cocktails alongside creative concoctions inspired by the destinations visited, while a more intimate wine bar might offer tastings and educational experiences led by knowledgeable sommeliers. Pool and deck facilities on the Star Voyager would need to maximize every square foot of available space. The main pool area would serve as the central gathering point during sea days, surrounded by comfortable lounging areas with premium deck furniture and possibly some shaded cabana options for those who prefer to avoid direct sunlight. The pool itself might not be Olympic-sized, but it would be designed for relaxation rather than serious swimming, with perhaps a connected hot tub area for evening soaks under the stars. Adult-only areas will be essential for creating peaceful retreats where guests can escape the family-friendly atmosphere when they need some quiet time. These spaces might include a separate pool or hot tub area, along with premium lounging options and possibly even private cabanas available for daily rental. The deck design would need to incorporate multiple levels to create distinct zones for different activities and moods. Water activities would be limited by the ship's size, but creative design could still incorporate features like a small water slide or splash area. The focus would be on quality over quantity, ensuring that whatever water features are included are well-maintained and provide genuine entertainment value for guests of all ages. Onboard activities would need to be carefully curated to provide entertainment without overwhelming the ship's limited space. A well-equipped fitness center would be essential, featuring modern cardio equipment, strength training machines, and free weights, along with large windows or outdoor access to make workouts more enjoyable. Group fitness classes could take place on deck areas during good weather, offering everything from yoga sessions at sunrise to high-energy aerobics classes. Entertainment would likely focus on intimate performances rather than large-scale productions. A multi-purpose venue could host everything from live music performances to comedy shows, lectures, and even movie screenings. The entertainment staff would need to be versatile, capable of leading trivia nights, dance classes, and interactive games that encourage guest participation and social interaction. Educational activities could become a real selling point for Star Voyager, with expert lecturers discussing the history, culture, and natural environment of upcoming destinations. Cooking classes featuring local cuisine, art workshops, and language lessons could provide enriching experiences that larger ships simply cannot offer due to their size and passenger volume. The spa and wellness facilities aboard Star Voyager would emphasize quality and personalization over sheer size and variety. A smaller spa means more intimate treatment rooms and the possibility of truly customized service where therapists can focus on individual guest needs rather than rushing through appointments. Treatment menus would likely feature a mix of classic spa services alongside unique offerings inspired by destinations visited during the cruise. Wellness programs could include daily yoga and meditation sessions, possibly held on deck areas during sunrise or sunset for an extra special experience. The smaller guest capacity would allow for more personalized fitness consultations and wellness coaching, creating opportunities for guests to actually achieve meaningful health and wellness goals during their vacation, rather than just temporarily escaping their regular routines. Sauna and steam room facilities will provide additional relaxation options, while a well-appointed relaxation area with comfortable seating and calming ambience would give guests a place to unwind before and after treatments. The spa staff could offer wellness seminars and demonstrations, sharing tips and techniques that guests can incorporate into their daily lives long after the cruise ends. Family facilities and children's programs would need to be thoughtfully designed to serve younger guests without overwhelming the ship's intimate atmosphere. A dedicated kids club area would provide supervised activities for different age groups, with trained counselors leading everything from arts and crafts projects to educational games and outdoor adventures. The smaller scale would actually benefit families, as children would receive more individual attention and parents would find it easier to keep track of their young ones. Teen areas would need to balance independence with supervision, possibly featuring gaming stations, comfortable seating areas for socializing, and access to activities that appeal to this challenging age group. Family-friendly entertainment options would include movie nights, talent shows, and interactive games that encourage participation across generations. Shore excursions and port visits would likely be the crown jewel of the Star Voyager experience. Smaller ships have the advantage of accessing ports that larger vessels simply cannot reach, opening up possibilities for truly unique and off-the-beaten-path destinations. The excursion program would probably emphasize authentic cultural experiences and intimate group sizes that allow for more meaningful interactions with local communities. The ship's size would enable more flexible itineraries, with the possibility of adjusting schedules based on weather conditions, local events, or guest interests. Shore excursions could range from adventurous outdoor activities like hiking and snorkeling to cultural immersion experiences, such as cooking classes with local families or artisan workshops where guests can learn traditional crafts. Taking everything into consideration, the Star Voyager represents an intriguing alternative to mainstream cruise experiences. Its mysterious nature and limited online presence might actually be selling points for travelers seeking something different from the cookie-cutter megaship experience. The intimate scale would foster genuine connections between guests and crew members, creating a more personalized vacation experience. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.